Hello students, today we are going to solve some questions of article. Firstly, we focus on the first question is written university. University is started with year. That's why this is consonant and we use here A. Next example is accident. Accident is started with A. This is vowel. That's why we use here an. Next example is Urdu. Urdu is started with vowel. We only focus on its pronunciation. That's why what we use here an. Expert. Expert pronunciation is also started with vowel. That's why we use here an. Harmonium. Harmonium is instrument, musical instrument. That's why we use here the. TV is a invention. That's why we use here the, not any article A or an. European. European is started with E, but its pronunciation is started with Y. That's why we use here A. We only focus on its pronunciation. Employee. Employee's pronunciation is also started with vowel. That's why we use here an. Umpire. Umpire. Umpire's pronunciation is also started with vowel. That's why we use here an. Hostel. Hostel is not a definite building. That's why we focus on this pronunciation and use the article A. Honest. Honest. It started with vowel. What we use here? An. Tabla. Tabla is instrumental, musical instrument. That's why we use here D. Kilo. Kilo is a measurable things. Kilo, liter. What we use here now? D. Cinema. Cinema is also included in the invention. That's why we use here D. Red Fort. Red Fort is historical building. That's why we use here D. Hindu. Hindu is a religious community. That's why we use here D. But when we talk about one, it means किसी एक हिंदू की बात हो तो वहाँ पे हम ए हिंदू लगा सकते हैं. जैसे I am a Hindu. He is a Hindu. Now look at next X-ray. X-ray. X-ray is started with A. Then this is vowel. What we use here? An. Stars. Stars is definite things. That's why we use here D. Engineer. Engineer is started with E. This is vowel. Then what we use here? An. An engineer. Idea is also started with E. I. Idea. That's why we use here an idea. Earth is definite things. That's why we use here the earth. Police. Police is armed force. Armed force. जैसे आर्मी, नेवी, ऐसा अगर कुछ भी हो तो हम वहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे? दी. गीता. दिस इज अ रिलीजियस बुक. देन व्हाट वी यूज हियर? दी. अगर कोई भी रिलीजियस बुक होगा तो हम वहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे? दी का. भारतीय जनता पार्टी. अगर कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी होगा तो भी हम वहाँ पे दी का यूज करेंगे. कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, बीजेपी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी. सन इज ऑल्सो डेफिनेट थिंग्स. दैट्स वाई वी यूज हियर दी. प्रेसिडेंट. प्रेसिडेंट इज डेफिनेट पीपल, या फिर कोई कुछ अगर है जैसे कि कोई टीचर है, कोई प्रेसिडेंट है, तो हम वहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे? दी का. किसी का पद हो. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट यूनिफॉर्म. यूनिफॉर्म इज स्टार्टेड विथ य. यूनिफॉर्म. इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन य से शुरू होगा. दैट्स वाई वी यूज हियर ए. ए यूनिफॉर्म. A uniform. M-A. M-A. M-A started with M. What its pronunciation is M. M-A. This is vowel. That's why we use here an. An M-A. An MBBS. B-A. 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 Here we write A article. A, B-A, because B-A in Hindi, in this pronunciation, B-A. Then what we use here? A. A article is correct because it is started with consonant.